Well, replacing every missing tooth is very important for every patient. When you miss a tooth, the teeth around it start shifting into that space. The opposing tooth starts growing into that space and getting a periodontal disease. The facial structure starts collapsing and your cheeks and lips start sinking. In Woodbury Dental Arts, we always ask our patients, before you have a tooth extracted for any reason, we have to be able to check it first for the chance of being able to pull the tooth and place the implant all together in one visit. Replacing a missing tooth with a dental implant will stabilize the bone, enhance the smile, prevent TMJ and periodontal disease, as well as restore the function of chewing. My advice to you is, before you have a tooth pulled, please give us the opportunity to check it out first. Because if we can pull a tooth and place an implant immediately, that can prevent further issues down the line.